The journey begins with carefully selected fresh fruits from premium farms.
Each fruit is handled delicately to preserve its structure.
Only the finest berries are selected for processing.
Delicate fruits require precise manual harvesting.
Initial sorting ensures only premium fruits continue.
Separation maintains purity of each fruit type.
Temperature control begins immediately after harvest.
Moisture levels are carefully monitored.
Preparation ensures smooth transition to factory. Efficient handling reduces damage risk. Refrigerated transport preserves freshness. Controlled environments maintain fruit quality. The journey toward advanced processing begins. Fresh fruits travel swiftly to modern facilities.
Large-scale operations rely on coordinated logistics.
A high-tech facility awaits the raw fruits. Entry begins into a controlled processing environment. The transformation of fruits is about to begin. Fruits arrive at the high-tech processing intake zone. A sealed environment protects freshness from external air. Automated systems begin controlled unloading. Fruits enter the first stage of industrial processing. Temperature-controlled inspection begins immediately. Each batch is digitally tracked for quality control. Fruits are gently released for sorting. Only premium fruits continue the journey. High-pressure air ensures perfect cleanliness. Gentle cleaning preserves natural fruit texture. Moisture is carefully reduced before freezing.
Human inspection ensures perfect selection.
Each fruit type is separated for precision processing.
Controlled storage maintains peak freshness. Automation lifts fruits into advanced processing zones. The core transformation facility begins here. Advanced freeze-drying systems activate. Preparation begins for deep freeze transformation. Fruits enter the freeze-drying chamber, where transformation begins. An airtight seal prepares the chamber for extreme conditions.
Rapid freezing preserves the natural structure of fruits. Water inside the fruits transforms into solid ice.
Uniform freezing ensures consistency across every batch.
A powerful vacuum begins removing air from the chamber. Low pressure prepares fruits for sublimation.
Ice transforms directly into vapor, bypassing liquid state.
Moisture is extracted through advanced condensation systems. Extracted moisture is captured and frozen separately.
Controlled movement ensures uniform drying of fruits.
Moisture removal transforms fruits into lightweight structures.
The internal structure becomes crisp and porous.
Final moisture is completely removed. The system stabilizes after the drying cycle. The chamber prepares to reveal the final product. The freeze-dried fruits are ready for inspection. Lightweight, crisp fruits move to the next stage.
Freeze-dried fruits are transferred for careful handling.
Delicate unloading prevents damage to the crisp structure. Even distribution prepares fruits for inspection.
Air cleaning removes residual particles.
Static control ensures smooth handling of lightweight fruits. Advanced optical systems prepare for precise sorting. Color detection ensures visual perfection. Imperfect pieces are removed instantly.
Size grading ensures uniform product batches. Fragments are separated for specialized use.
Human inspection guarantees premium quality.
Rejected fruits are isolated from production. Only the finest fruits continue forward. UV treatment ensures microbial safety. Final cleaning prepares fruits for the finishing stages.
Batching organizes fruits for consistent processing.
Flow control ensures precise handling. Sorted fruits move into the next stage of refinement. Precision weighing ensures consistency in every package. Automated systems prepare packaging with speed and accuracy. Each pack is sealed to preserve freshness and crispness.
Clear labeling ensures full traceability.
Products are packed for safe transportation.
Bulk handling begins with organized pallet stacking.
Finished products are loaded for global distribution.
And this is how modern factories produce freeze-dried fruits from start to finish.